Hey guys, so welcome back to our channel. So today is going to be a really fun video. It's a DIY. I'm going to be attempting to bleach two of my jumpsuit sets that I just bought. And I bought them in the color navy blue. And I bought a black. And I got the bottoms in a small and top in a medium, just in case, you know, my belly starts to get big. I have growing room, and then the waist is rubber, so of course I'll be good. These are the supplies that you'll need: rubber bands, some gloves, any sort of gloves will work, Clorox, and then so I thought I had a spray bottle at home, but apparently I don't. So I have a water bottle and I just put a little hole in it. So this is gonna have to work. If it doesn't turn out right, it's because the water bottle, but I believe it's gonna be good. So yeah, this is my first time ever attempting to do this. I've watched one video and I think I kind of grasped the idea. I mean, it's kind of like tie-dyeing, and I used to tie-dye all the time when I was younger. So I think it's gonna be super easy. So I'm just gonna show you guys how I do it, and I hope you like it. Okay, so I saw on the video that I watched, they used a fork to try to swirl the shirt and pants. So I'm gonna attempt to try that. If that doesn't work, I'm gonna old-fashioned way do it. Okay. You kind of just twist the fork to get the little swirl effect. And then you're going to have to rubber band it off. I hope I'm doing this right. I probably should have opened the rubber bands first. Oh, okay. So my pack of rubber bands actually came with different sizes. I did not read that. I just went and bought them. So kind of just section it off. Like so, like that. Okay. Not too bad. But the good thing about bleaching and tie-dye, it doesn't have to be perfect. So it may not turn out, you know, how I have thought in my head, but it's still gonna be cute regardless. So that's the good thing. And kind of section it off into medium size, because you're only gonna pour the bleach in every other part. So I'm trying to space it out good so it's not just big bleach spots. So there we have it. It's actually not too bad. So now are the pants. And I feel like this is gonna be the hard part because I don't know if I'm supposed to do each leg separate and twist. I don't really know. We'll see. Maybe not. Maybe I have to do each leg. Maybe that'll work. I'll do each leg different. So the pattern's gonna be different, of course, since I have to do it this way. do this side. Stick the fork in the middle and just start twisting. Maybe start at the bottom. This one's giving me troubles. Okay, here we go. Okay, so this for sure is gonna be a funky little pattern because it's not the same as the other side. But it's not horrible either. Okay, so the top part looks like this. I'll just scrunch this part. Yeah, I'm just scrunch that part. Not sure how that's gonna turn out, the top. But the bottom part for sure will be good. So the pants look like this. I like a bicycle, honestly, like the 2 wheels. So these are the pants. This is the top. And then I'm gonna go ahead and do the blue one really quick. Okay, so here's the fun part. We are in my tub right now because I think it'd be better to do it in here. So my blue one actually turned out a lot better, I think, the way that I kind of rubber banded off, because these are the pants. Y'all remember I showed you the black pants? Like, what is this? So we'll see how that turns out. It says you're supposed to mix, like dilute the Clorox so it won't eat through your clothes. So I'm just gonna leave a little bit of this water in here, but I do think since they are sweatpants, I do need a lot of Clorox so that it'll go through. So I'm gonna test this out. On the video, the girl did not wet her clothes first. So I'm gonna try one dry and then the other one I'm gonna try a little bit damped, but not too much. So here we go. Okay, so you can kind of see it's starting to change colors. You don't want to let it sit too long before you wash it. So I'm just gonna let it sit for about 5 minutes. This is the blue one. It did not take long at all for that bleach to start working. And I did do this one with them a little bit wet, not too much. This one was completely dry, so I can't wait to see the difference. So I will come back when they are washed and I'll try them on. Okay, so it's the next day, and as you can tell, I finished it and I think it turned out so good. So I just threw it on real quick so you guys can look. And I also remembered, I forgot to show you guys the step where you rinse it out after you put the Clorox and everything on it. You rinse it out and then you wash it. So I'm sorry about that, but here we go. Of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it and I hope it helped you out. It was really easy, super fun, very inexpensive. It didn't take me long at all. So if you liked this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, like, comment, subscribe, share this video. Leave some comments down below of like videos y'all would like to see, whether it's just me or if it's with Gary and Gianni. Just leave comments below because it's really hard trying to think of videos to make. So if you leave comments, I will try my best to get to the videos. So thank you guys for watching. Bye.